We are going to do a Sailmaker whipping now, and in order to do that, what we first have to do is we have to open up the line, okay, and then we want to put just wrap a loop around one strand. Okay, see how it's going through everything? Okay, so then I just relay the rope. Okay, and now we have a loop here. I can pull this loop, and we want to make sure that this loop is long enough that it can actually go over the top of one of those when we get to the end of the whipping. Okay, but for now we can keep everything else, this little tail end and that end down there, and then we take our long bit and we start winding. Okay, we keep going against the lay of the rope. Okay, keep it nice and tight, and we want to go for about, same as the common whipping, 1 to 1.5 times the diameter of the rope that we're whipping. Okay, so that should be about there. Okay, now what we do is we take this loop, okay, and as we see, it was around this line here, okay, and just so happened that it's the one with the flick in it, the color in it. Okay, so that means it's going to be that one over there. So we just put that tail through that line there. See how we just went through the line? And then we can take this end and pull it tight. Okay, so what we've got is one going up there, one going up there. Now, the only one that hasn't got one, so we can see, you can follow that one up there, you can follow that one up there. This one here, there's one missing here. So what we want to do is pull that one up. So it's going to go in between those there. So then we'll end up with equal pieces. And the fiddly part comes now when we have to just tie a reef knot at the top here. Oh, now we can snip the ends off. Scissors. And there is a Sailmaker's whipping.